Chicago police responded to a chilling call on the city's south side. A woman reported seeing a group of youths dressed in all black, armed and walking down the street. What happened next left officers and the community shocked.
Shut up. Stay the fuck down. Stay the fuck down. 10-1! I got it. Stay right here. You stay right here. Stay the fuck down. Stay the fuck down.
Can you untie this?
No. Shut up. By the boulevard, by 23rd and Marshall. 23rd and Marshall.
And let me come back around.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Going westbound.
Can I get up now?
No. You stay the fuck down too. Get the fuck down right now.
What's the offender look like?
It's cool, man. It's cool, chill. It's cool, man. It's cool, chill, man.
Alright, so let's get it on scene advice. That's it before you got the air.
Beautiful, man.
Alright, you got him?
Get down.
Boy.
Get the fuck down, dude. I don't give a fuck what you guys do. Get the fuck down.
That's it, boy. Go ahead, you got the air. These guys, they're running to 22nd place. Alright, running to 22nd place. How many people are we looking for? There was a group of them, one shot at us. Shots fired back by police. Alright, one shot ahead of you guys and one shot. Shots fired back by both police. What's the offender look like?
I said get the fuck down! Shut the fuck, get the fuck down! I don't give a fuck. Sit down then. Sit the fuck down. I'm telling you, sit the fuck down. Sit the fuck down. Alright? Sit the fuck down. Sit the fucking game.
Sacramento.
Alright, thank you. Thank you. Alright, you all just got shot at. Alright, calm down. Sit down. Look, dude, take a seat. Take a seat, you too. Take a seat. Take a seat in your ass.
Okay, they're wearing all black, last seen running to 22nd place. How many offenders are we looking for?
Say, for our boy, shots fired!
Shit!
I got a 10-1, I got 10-1, 10-6, 4 points, 10-1, all units in 10 in the city.
Chicago police! Chicago police!
Chicago police! 22, 40 South Sacramento.
They're in the car, they're in the car. Over here, over here!
You got the... Going westbound from west.
We got him running eastbound on 24th.
Over to 10-6, 4 locations, 22, 40 South Sacramento, going westbound.
That way, that way!
10-6, 4 boys, what's the offender?
Over here! Over here!
Alright,
Right here!
put it on scene advice.
Yo!
10-6, 4 boys, you got the air.
Let me see your fucking hands! Get down! Get down! Get down!
Alright, you got him?
Of course.
Who's that unit with 10-6, 4 boy?
You got nothing?
10-6, 4 boy.
Stop it!
10-6, 4 boy, go ahead, you got the air.
Rico!
I don't got my cuffs.
I got mine. Get down here and
I don't got my cuffs.
I have mine, you dipshit.
Alright, running to 22nd place. How many people are we looking for?
Shit.
Gaff isn't it?
One shot up. Shots fired back by police. Alright, one shot ahead of you guys. One shot. Shots fired back.
No, I'm good.
What's the offender look
Are you
like?
good? This is one of them.
One of what?
One of the guys that's over there.
Yeah, 2240 South Sacramento. Offender last seen running towards 2nd place. What's the description? 10-6, 4 point.
Which guy shot?
That's this for a boy. He's wearing all black. No Hispanic, thin build. What?
Was there a guy in all white? Because there was a guy in all white.
They're wearing all black.
No, the guy that shot was wearing all
How
black.
many offenders are we looking for?
Hey, where are the guys at? The guys that we had in custody.
Where's from? California. 10-6 boy.
Where's the gun?
Oh, God.
Fucking idiot.
Check like 2 places in Cali. 2 places in Cali. It's probably what you read, right? Alright, that's 4. The offender's probably wearing all black. Last thing watching for 2 places in Cali. Started off from 2240 South Sacramento.
Squad, right off of California 22nd, please. We got about 3 wearing black, 1 wearing gray.
Alright, 10-4 California. 22nd place, 3 wearing black, 1 wearing
Huh?
gray.
This way?
Yeah, but then I saw you guys coming for help.
Oh, that's because I saw these guys running from right over here. I saw him.
Fuck, I ran. Well, keep looking. There's like 2 more. You're right somewhere else. Wearing all black and gray. You got this on the screen?
Hey, look around. There might be a gun somewhere around here.
You want him
They were, yeah.
What am I detained
Well, I don't
for?
He's just detained right now. But they shot over there in the alley, and they came running this way.
Everyone's good?
Yeah.
We're just looking. They're coming this way. We're looking around here.
Yeah. So they were. Oh, right here. Right here. Oh shit! Fuck! I touched it. 1064 boy. I found that. Shit! I know. Fuck.
10-6-4.
What was that?
Yes, well, we got 3
We got a bag?
possible.
Was that the first one we got? Or was that the
20,
one we got?
second place.
1064 boy.
What am I being? Dude, you're the team right now. Or what?
10-6-4 boy, go ahead.
We have a firearm recovered at Marshall and 23rd.
Let's get him in the
Alright, Marshall 23rd for his weapon repair, 2250 on the clock.
Shit. I
Slow
touched
it
it.
down, slow it down.
Huh?
Sit right.
You can just run
What's
to
that?
the 10-1,
Sit, right?
giving us
Yeah,
slow
that's
down
it.
right now.
This is a firearm.
Yeah.
I accidentally touched it. I'm sorry.
Why? Marshall, 3 possible at 22nd.
That's another one. We were just at the King's Block right
Take
now.
a slow down.
Where's from? Eastbound towards California.
Yeah, 6-4 boy.
Check my 2-2 place in California. I have both. Or fuck.
2-2 place in Cali.
That's probably where they ran to. All right. Yes.
Alright, 10-4. The offender's probably wearing all black. Last seen running for his 2-2 place in Cali. Started off from 2240 South
Turn this shit off,
Sacramento.
dude. You're under arrest. You are under arrest. You're under arrest, shithead.
Right off of California 22nd, please. We got about 3 wearing black, 1 wearing gray.
Alright, 10-4. California, 22nd place. 3 wearing black, 1 wearing gray.
Ahí va. Ahora niño, vamos a comer más. Cuidado. The case is going to be right over there, right at the mouth of the alley. These are the original ones we had right here. All right. Two came shooting right at the mouth of the alley. Shot over here and said, I didn't hear what they said. They started screaming. And then they took off running towards their 2-2 boys. They shot you 2 days ago? Yeah. Never stopped me?
Alright, 2-3 on Marshall at the end. 4. Rio. 10-6-4.
Yes, well, we
Yeah,
got 3 possibles
yeah,
at 2820,
My
20, second place.
28-20, 22nd place.
Which way?
3 possible.
they all went to the mouth of the alley off the 23rd and right to the boulevard over there. The 2-2 boys been out over there all day, all night. Yeah, they're good. They got a gun over there.
Slow it down, slow it down.
Alright, units just went into that 10-1. They're giving us slowdown right now. Shoot. All units responding to that 10-1. They're giving it a slowdown. Over at 23rd place in Marshall. 3 possible at 22nd place. 28-21, 22nd place. Take a slowdown. 901.